finally got something really cool for this car. I haven't bought something for this car in like 2 months. That's why I haven't recorded. But I finally got something that I really wanted, and it's a GTR start button. Look at this. So today we're gonna be installing this into the 370C. I want my car to be like all black and red. I'm gonna be changing the steering wheel soon and some stuff inside the car, and it's gonna be black and red. So this is gonna be the first step to doing all that. It's pretty cool. It's an original GTR button, so yes. So this is the original one for the 370C. You can see it, original, and then the GTR one. It looks a lot better. So that's gonna be pretty cool installation, pretty easy. I hope so, because everything I do is never perfect. So hopefully this one is. I'm gonna go right now and buy the plastic panel bumpers. That way I don't scratch this with like a metal piece or something. So I want to be safe and take care of my car. So I'm gonna do that. Buy the panel poppers, and we're gonna continue this video. So. So I got what I wanted, but it was $20, so I'm probably gonna use it and just return it. There's a dog behind me, so I can't really go out. Let's see if he gets away. Yeah. Oh, there's another one over here. Hi, Mr. Duck. Watch out. Coming in hot. Oh, it's so hard to do this. It's hard. Alright, let's go. Yeah, I'm gonna probably use it and then just return it real quick, because that is not worth 20 bucks, bro. That's really nah. You're not gonna do that to me. So I'm gonna work on the car real quick and probably turn it back again. I'm gonna do this over here. I'm just gonna be far from everybody. School is closed, so I shouldn't have a problem working on my car right here. So I'm gonna do that. Yeah. So yeah, let's start this. You are gonna look so good. Alright, so we got it. So what I have to do is get the panel bumper, a plastic one, and you hit it from here, from this side right here, this, and then hit it from right here, and it came out. As you see, it is out. So now, alright, so the next thing you have to do, you have to pop this thing right here. I don't know if you see it clearly. So you have to pop it. Yeah, let me see. And it should come right out. There you go. I don't want it to fall. Can you stay there, please? Okay. Okay, so now that the button is out, we're gonna try to take the real thing out so we can replace it for the GTR one. So what we're gonna do now is you're gonna see this part right here. So it'll be 3 and 9, and you're gonna squeeze it and push it out. There you go. So you squeeze and push, and that's it. So now we can replace this one for the GTR one. So look at the difference. Look at that. It's pretty nice. So let's try to put this one now. You know, just like that, and it's ready to go. We're just gonna connect it now. All right, so now we're just gonna try to connect that one, this over here, and because it's a Nissan too, it's not gonna be that hard. Just connect it. You heard the click, so that's in now. So I'm just gonna put it right back in. You ready? And it should be ready to go. So that's how it looks at the end. Look at that. GTR start button. Yo, it's so glossy. You can't even see it right. It's so glossy. Let me see if I can. Yo, it looks so nice. Alright, okay, let's try to turn it on for the first time. Let's see. Nice. Yeah, I'm so excited. Yo, it looks so nice. Compared with this one, it doesn't have any color. It's just simple. And this is just like, yo, oh my god. Yes. Let's go. So one of the next things I'm gonna do for this car is gonna be trying to change the steering wheel for something more sporty. I'm trying to do, it's either Alcantara or carbon fiber. I'm not sure yet, but it's gonna be different. And I want to have it with red colors in it too. Sorry, so it can match with this now. So yo, I'm so excited. Yo, let me clean this. But yeah, guys, I'm so excited for this. Yo, look at that. Yo, looks so nice. So nice. Look at that. There you go. But yeah, guys, that's it for this video. So it's a really easy install, probably like 5 minutes. That's it. It will change the look of your car in the inside. It's pretty cool. You're gonna love it. Also, it feels different, a lot different. But yeah, guys, do it. It only cost me like $36. I'll probably leave the link below if you want to get it. So highly recommend it. So I will see you in the next one. Subscribe, like the video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.